One of the little known places here, which I really like to go to. As you can see, there's Bar Ercolano at night, and then just across the road where the tourist train usually parks up with all the flags there. As we walk along here, there you go, Bar Serenus. Next to, there we go, just look down there. That's the harbour, and all that is the Excelsior Vittoria. We'll just go in here. I'll just put the camera down because the gateman might stop me. Buonasera.
Bar all the way down.
Thank you. And here we go. Nice walk. Beautiful hotel. Wish I could afford to stay here, but I'm only a poor car salesman. It's just absolutely beautiful. I think there's a restaurant on the right hand side called the Orangery. I've probably not pronounced that quite right. This is where all the Ferraris, the LaFerraris, were parked up the other night. There must have been $100 million worth of Ferraris here. It was just phenomenal, really. Here we go, right the way down to the terrace bar at the end, which is open to the public. But as you can see, the doorman there, they're quite keen. I think if you were to turn up in I was going to say shorts, but that chap was in shorts. But having said that, he's probably stopping here. I don't think they mind if you pay the going rate for the rooms if you wear shorts, but if you're just visiting, then I think you've got to be fairly well dressed. Here we go. It's a beautiful place. And then down the steps here, we've got Velar, good tasting cars. Down the steps here. And through to the bar. The view, and the sunset's over there, and you can watch from the terrace bar. It's a beautiful place. And over there we've got Vesuvius, and down there Marina Piccolo. That's Barruccio there. And that down there is where you get your tickets for the ferries. Now to find a seat. Foreigners Bar over there. And that's the road we came down last night to walk to Bar Rochelle. And there's the train at the bottom. Just coming up.
If I was a sculptor, then again, no, old man, explosions and travels, and there was no much but best I can do. A gift is my song, and this one for you. You can tell everybody